Hello everyone, I am Bhavya and you are watching Bhavya's Learning Lifestyle. If anyone are new to my channel, I make videos on kids learning and education, parenting, fashion and cooking. In today's video, I am sharing my ideas on how to study when you are short on time. We have all studied last minute before exams. It sucks when the clock is running down, but you still have tons of pages to read, study and digest. So in today's video, I will suggest you some ideas that will definitely help you to study when you are short on time so you can get focused and get to work. The number one thing you have to do for this is start. Yes guys, we all have had those moments when we feel so overwhelmed with what we have to do that what we just don't. Stop that and start studying. There is a famous quote by Nelson Mandela. He states that it always seems impossible until it's done. So stop procrastinating and get stuff done right now. So start as soon as possible. And the second thing is get rid of your worries. We may have lot of things in our brain. Instead of letting your brain get carried away, write down your worrisome thoughts on a sheet of paper. Let your brain know that you can worry about those things later, but right now you need to focus on studying for the test. And the third thing is focus on important material. First, focus on important ideas, notes given by your professor, and branch out to study other things. So it is very important for you that whenever your professor or teacher stresses with some questions, that you have to learn first, right? So that there is chances of getting some important questions for your exam. And the fourth thing is stop multitasking. It seems like a smart idea to focus on multiple tasks, but eventually you will end up with doing stressed with it. So whenever you are reading, just you focus on reading only. Don't go to do the other things along with that. So your concentration also will decrease. So that's why stop doing multitasking, especially when you are reading. And my sixth tip is, if you study in a group, study with equally motivated people. You need to work with people who will motivate you to the best studier can be. Work with such people who won't deal with you being distracting to them. Right? And my seventh tip is study in a way that's productive for the test. For example, you can't study for MCQ in the same way that you study for essay based exam. Means you have to write so much, right? So that kind of exam you can't prepare like MCQ way, right? Each testing method requires different level of material understanding. So first thing you have to do is understand the layout of the test. So how the question paper will be, how the pattern are given. So according to that you have to prepare for your exam. And my eighth tip is breathe. Studying in a short period of time can feel you overwhelming. So what you have to do is don't get stressed. Take a few deep breaths and relax yourself. And my last tip is get some sleep. Taking some time to sleep will help you recall it long after the test day is through. Many people they skip sleeping during the short period of time. So when you sleep, your mind actually begins to make connections and it stores content for a long-term memory. So that's all for today's video guys. If you like my video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, hit like and comment.